Sundar Pichai once passed through Visakhapatnam on the Coromandel Express. He described it as a quiet, modest coastal city full of potential. That was the description he offered then. Today, Google has broken ground on a $15 billion AI hub in that same city. Gigawatts scale compute, subsea cable connectivity, clean energy capacity. And before the concrete has dried, Reliance Industries has announced India's largest data center cluster, also in Vizag, 1.5 gigawatts, $17 billion, same location. The city Sundar Pichai called modest is now the single most consequential AI compute address in India. India's total data center capacity currently stands at approximately 1.3 gigawatts. Google's facility alone will add 1 gigawatt to that very number. Reliance's project spans 935 acres, 6 gigawatts of solar capacity and battery energy storage systems. Reliance is building something closer to an energy-anchored compute city. Google, 1 gigawatt, Reliance, 1.5. Combined, nearly 2.5 gigawatts in a single region. Vizag alone is now positioned to hold nearly double India's current national capacity. The city has subsea cable access, renewable energy capacity, and a policy environment that has moved quickly on approvals. We are aware of that. The case was already there. The investment has now confirmed it. And here, of course, is the front page take. Clearly, Vizag is becoming India's AI capital, aka AI-Patnam, as Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav calls it. What happened in Vizag this week is not, merely a coincidence of announcements. It is actually the result of geography, policy, and energy availability converging at the moment compute demand became the defining industrial question of this decade. Google arrived first, Reliance followed within days to the same address, mind you. The companies building the next generation of AI are not choosing the obvious places. They're choosing where the power is, literally. Visakhapatnam now has both. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe. And as always, please let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, till you do that, think AI, think AIM.